quitting from Marina Square, Singapore. I'm now walking towards the promenade MRT and the F1 pit to watch the Chingay from outside. I tried to buy tickets online, but it was sold out. So we have a little tour now. We are about 800 meters away from the F1 pit, and we get to see some interesting buildings along the way. You know, in front there's a Singapore Flyer, and on the behind me left side, right, Pan Pacific 5-star hotel. Whoa, no, there's a big bus, a tourist bus coming. You know, I have not taken one of those buses because I'm a local, you know. I like to explore places by myself. I don't have the stress of like staying in a hotel. There's a time constraint. Every day I must go somewhere to tour. But if I'm overseas, right, then I'll do the same thing. Every day I'll just pack my schedule. After makan, after eat, right, I'll be to check out some of the stuff, tourist attraction, and then the day is easily spent from day to night. And in front is promenade MRT. On the left side, the brown building, right, is Marina Walk. It has some kind of office buildings and having normal day. But the park is getting harder to walk. Well, we are arrived at promenade MRT. Already so fast, it's just 400 meters from the expanded MRT. Oh, actually I do this route. We're going to show you guys something. No, Singapore Flyer wheel is just so big now in front. And their security now, crowd marshals. That means we are getting very close to Chingay event. I saw the poster already. 27 and 28 February, the Chingay will be starting like from 6:30 or 6 p.m. to 11:30, 9 p.m. That's until midnight. This is a Raffles Boulevard route. If you stay in the Pan Pacific Hotel next year, right? I mean, anytime you come during next year, during the Chingay period, you can just get out the reception and just walk. It's super convenient. Oh, the traffic police with the sing. Oh, this one is a Cisco, not the police, but they are the non-auxiliary police officer, means they are a bit lower than the rank of a regular police officer, but given some rights, like inspection and so on. 6:25 p.m. Chingay start at like 8 p.m. And the crowd is really going in because they want to get a good seat. Portable fans, charger and everything. Oh, the traffic police are here. Oh, surprisingly, the motorcycles is BMW. That's why I saw the brand. But the Certis Cisco and the regular police officer, the bikes are not similar. But you have to look at the logo. Then you know, is it Cisco or TP? Wow, only on the left side there's some interesting leaves. Look at the tree, the H, letter H. On this little bridge, I mean gigantic bridge, not little, man. Chingay reporting point. And it feels like reporting to army camp or something. Reporting that word sounds serious, man. Just like the word problem, it sounds serious. Issue or stuff sounds less serious. Look at the crowd, man. I thought I'm early already. I just want to get a good spot to film the action. This is the first time in my whole life I come to Chingay site. As I mentioned earlier, I wanted to buy the ticket. But I think in Singapore you need to be kiasu. That means you have to like buy things advance. Like maybe 2 weeks advance or 1 month advance. Then you can get a ticket. If not, like 1-2 days ago, you cannot get a ticket at all, man. And it's quite sad. Oh, I saw a Marina Center bus terminal just below the Singapore Flyer wheel. Can really hear the music, the music, the Kopio. Singapore Flyer is the first time I come face to face, so close, man. Those wearing the dark green t-shirts, the crowd control. Now the road is closed for pedestrian to walk. Actually, I wonder where can I get a good spot the firm we are entering. So I just trying my luck. F1 pit building is in front. You know the F1 Formula, F1, the car, right? The racing car. Every year, I think it's September. So there'll be large crowd, more than here. No? There'll be like double or triple. Oh, there's a fire engine, SCDF. In case there's fire or anything, I guess there'll be medics, ambulance. I think I saw one already. It's like, you know, in other countries, right? If the tickets are sold out, then there'll be like the black market sellers standing around the entrance and sell the ticket for like 10 times the value or twice. The minimum is 2 times. I think outside it's a good spot to film. I'm not sure. As I mentioned, it's my first time coming here. Even the teenagers get to travel with their parents to come here. Oh, we see a good look fire again. Oh, I can see Marina Bay Sands from here. It's just the next block from the Singapore Flyer. Now we have arrived at Singapore F1 pit building. So look at that. They are divided into sectors. There may be different parts of the seating arrangement. The prices are different. I think the minimum is $20. It's a normal zone one, and then up to $80 per ticket. That's the VIP zone. You get a better view. So today's theme, this year's theme is Make Your Wish to Chingay. We have arrived. I'm going to find a spot. I'll just try to stand near the entrance. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching this video once again. We're going forward to see any other stuff. Oh, I think they sell some food outside or something. What is this, man? Chingay Wish. Wow, very nice.